Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Third and last puzzle, girls and boys and girls, is a binary puzzle. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, July the 10th, 2024, we have three regular puzzles, and two of them I've already solved, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku, so it's time now for the binary. Today, no extra puzzles, no additional, because we have no additional in today's newspaper. So only three puzzles, and this will be number 88, 77. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Now the double O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 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 Alright, now the double ones again. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Now the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Double O. Here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in one. Between the O's comes in one. Between the O's comes in one. Double one. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O. Here one, there one. Double one. Here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one. Here no, there no. Double O. Here one, there one. Double one. Here no, there no. Double O. Here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Between the ones comes an O. Then between the O's comes in 1, double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So this box should be an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Then between the O's comes in 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, and now between the O's comes in 1. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Yeah. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need to think. Oh, and a 1 there. Yeah. Well. We need to compare here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 completed columns. Here we have a 101 here. Oh, yeah, we can compare this column and that column. 11001 empty box 001100011. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1, double 1, here no, there no, double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. And now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, so that box will be an O. 2, 3, 4. Well. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I compare? Cannot compare the last column. Cannot compare this one, but I can compare this column. 010. No. So I need to compare the rows then. 1, what do we have a double 1 here? Yeah. No. Not the same. Well, this row then. 10, do we have a 10 here? No, not the same here. Not the same. Double 11, double. Yeah. This, I believe this, row and that row. Alright. 001 empty box. 00111 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here. This should be no. We have an O here. This should be 1. If I have, well, the rule is no identical rows or columns. One of the rules, yeah. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finished in 9 minutes. Well, we solved it again. And I like this one. You're so really do the thing. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And have a great and fantastic Wednesday. And the match between Holland and England. Well, we will see tomorrow. Until then, bye-bye for now.